Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. At this point, I don't know what's going on, but I mean, here we are. We're moving again, and this time it's long overdue, even though there's a whole backstory to it. I'm not going to bore you with that for now, but one of the things that should happen because we're moving is obviously because this place is rented. They're going to have to start coming for viewings and definitely get this house on the market and get other people to rent it before we go, or at least have someone in line to get the house as we are moving out. So the estate agents have scheduled viewings for this place, and they've sent me 4 appointments today, and I got in a whole cleaning mode just to make sure that this house was ready to view. At least, you guys, I have been cleaning since morning, and the time right now is a few minutes to 2. I literally just finished because I have not had time to clean this house properly, and because obviously they're not taking pictures, people are actually coming in to view the house while we are still in here. It has to be really spotless. So I've been cleaning like a maniac all morning, and the time right now is 6 minutes to 2. The first viewing for this house was supposed to be 15 minutes past 1. I have viewings for today and tomorrow, and for today no one has shown up. I'm honestly not thrilled about that, because this means that they might have to reschedule another viewing, and I cannot get into full packing mode because obviously the house will not be looking presentable. Not that I even care, but I just feel like the house should look presentable if people are coming in to view it. Now, people have gone ahead to schedule. There were 4 bookings for today. No one has shown up. The last viewing is supposed to be for 2:30. That's alright, because I need to get into packing mode, and as soon as I go into that attic to start bringing down boxes and start putting things inside boxes, this house is not gonna look okay. And that's not on me if people don't see the house as desirable, or they don't want to take it because it's a mess. That's not my concern, really. We've already gone for a viewing. We found a place. I love it. We have a place already. It's locked down and secure. So yeah, I have 20 days to pack all of this up and move again. Guys, the stress, the anticipation of the stress. So we're just trying to make things a lot easier for ourselves, because obviously it's just myself and my husband. Again, we hardly have a Nigerian community here in West Beach, and it's probably one of the reasons why it's just time to go. Really, it's really time to go. So yeah, we're going to be moving again, and this time we've gone ahead to secure a place. Like I said, we have also tried to secure a van, because we need a bigger van. I'm not going to really stress on what we did the last time, having to make multiple trips, even though we're still going to eventually have to make multiple trips, because I'm looking at the load in this house and I'm thinking there's no way you're gonna do 1 or 2. It's going to be a couple of trips. So that's what I'm thinking, even though we have tried to secure a bigger van. The option to just get man and van, or just get a moving company, is so tempting. It's so tempting, but the money they want to collect, she didn't friendly. She's a very, very aggressive amount. So I'm not going to pay that money. I would rather pocket the money, suck up and just move myself and pocket that money, because it's a lot of money. I just had breakfast at 1:30 in the afternoon, which is not even, it doesn't make much difference because I hardly even eat on time. But anyway, you guys, I'll chat to you in the course of the vlog. Just wanted to let you guys know that we are moving again. At this point, it's like it's a series. It's a series, but yeah, it has to be. It's a lot bigger. I love the house. I love the environment. It's a lot better than where we are right now. So I can't wait, honestly, you guys. I can't wait to move and officially be done with this area. Even though it's close to work and all of that, but Look at that. Apparently that they have this 2 o'clock, literally 2 o'clock. Let me go answer the door. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today I'm off and I just thought to vlog. Still in our moving series. Well, yeah. So I don't think I have any viewings today, so I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with my task for today as scheduled, because you guys know I like to plan my day. So I have a couple of things to do on my laptop. I'm going to go and do them in a few minutes, but before then I'm hungry, so I've made myself breakfast here. This is just 1 bun cut into 2, and I put some ketchup on there, and I fried 4 eggs. So 2 eggs on each bun, or each half bun. I'm going to be having that with my collagen hot drink. This is what I'm having it with. It's literally my skincare. Like it is my skincare. It's collagen, really good for you, especially if you are in your 30s, your late 30s like me. Anyway, I'm also going to be making some juice. I have some lukewarm water here, and I have my cucumber and my apples soaking here in some warm soapy water. So yeah, just trying to get all the dirt out before I give it a final wash, chop it up, take the core out, and then juice it. Anyway, so a couple of things are not going with us, like this chair, this single chair. I love it so much, but I don't really see the need for it, so it has to go because clutter. Besides, the living room where we're going is not as big as this place, sadly, but I mean yeah, that's what we're working with. But thankfully it's just the living room, so we're not going with that chair, but we're going with these one, and obviously the recliner chair as well. We're definitely going with the dining table, so that's definitely coming along. But yeah, this is the state of my house right now, because I have scheduled viewings, or I thought I would have scheduled viewings today. The house is clean, you guys. My entire house is clean. It looks like a showroom, and that's because it has to be, you know. So yeah, no filming when you come and view in my house. No viewing, no filming, and definitely no opening of cupboards or wardrobes. That's an invasion of my privacy. Except maybe like toilet doors, closet doors. Even closet doors, gonna say if you don't open it. Anyway, don't mind me, guys. I'm just being emotional because of all the cleaning I've had to do, and just how some people have been conducting themselves throughout this whole move. We'll get to talk about that much later, but anyway, let's make this collagen drink together. I've gone ahead to warm some milk, and I've just added 2 tablespoons of the Elevate chocolate drink in there. I'm just mixing that in, and I'm going to have that and then go back to make my juice. I'm washing the apples in that warm soapy water that has now gone cold, and then I'm going to wash the cucumbers as well and chop them up, take out the cores of the apple, and then get ready to juice. This juicing process is relatively simple because, you know, I'm using this apple core that I got from Shein a while ago. It takes the core out and just leaves you the flesh of the apples. It's a great way for children to snack, or, you know, just for you to juice the apples and avoid the seeds, because apparently seeds of apples are not that good. Well, I don't know, some people eat it, some people don't, but I'm just avoiding it altogether. I'm also cutting my cucumbers into chunks just to make it a lot easier for the juicer to juice. Alright, so I'm just going to leave you with the rest of the vlog. It's kind of self-explanatory, but later on you're going to see me make some hamburgers that I've shown you guys in a couple of vlogs ago. I'm also adding some ginger to my drink as well, just to make it a little more refreshing. Yeah, I will see you guys at the end of the vlog.
What the dog doing?
You guys, this dinner was so good, and it was so rewarding to just have something that I've done from scratch. And the hamburgers really paired really nicely with the apple and cucumber juice. That's all I have for today. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.